Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Firefox XULRunner error. Let's fix it guys. There are few small steps to solve this problem, but none of them work. Our solution is to reinstall the Firefox. To do this, you just need to clear the Firefox data guys. Right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Now in here you just need to find the Mozilla folder guys. You just need to right click on it and delete it, and after deleting it, close it off here. Now we need to uninstall Firefox guys. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by to category and select uninstall a program. In here you just need to right click on the Mozilla Firefox and select uninstall, select yes, select next, select uninstall, select finish. Now we have uninstalled Firefox guys. Now you just need to close it up here. To download Mozilla Firefox, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to select the download Firefox and it will be started downloading. After getting download done, click on the installer and install it. Select reinstall. Now you just need to select skip this step. After getting start browsing, you just need to do one more last step guys. Click on refresh Firefox and select refresh Firefox. Select done. We have finished the clean installation guys. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.